Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. Before I get started with everything, I just want to go ahead and remind all of you, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I try to post here as often as I can, and of course, if you like the videos that you are watching, please give them a thumbs up. Now let's get into what we have for today. What I have here, I believe it is my Boxycharm Luxe box. I signed up for the premium box. I think it's a premium, but I still haven't received that one. So I think what I have here is my Boxycharm Luxe. So I hope I'm right. For those of you that don't know about this box, this is a $49.99 quarterly subscription. So it's an upgrade to the Boxycharm box, the base box. So every 4 months you get a Luxe box and you just pay the difference because you automatically get billed for the 25. So then you pay the difference to get this box every quarter. And like I said, I believe this is my Boxy Luxe, but we'll find out once we get in here, and then once we see what we have inside. And then just so you all know, the reason why I'm starting with just foundation and some concealer is because whatever we have in here, I'm going to try on at the end of the video so you guys can kind of see how they apply. So that's why I look a little bit weird right now. But once we get in here and we start looking at our products, we'll see what I can and cannot put on my face. And then we'll just go from there. So let me see what we have here. And oh, okay. So never mind. I think this is my premium box. So then the one that I'm waiting for is my Luxe, because it says on here, Boxy Premium. So this is my premium box. So this one is a little bit different. This one, it is $35 a month. So this is another box on top of my base box. So this one is $35 a month, and then I believe you get I think 6 or 7 items, and this is supposed to be worth over, I believe, $200. If I am not mistaken, that is what this one is. Sorry, I wasn't prepared. I totally thought this was my Boxy Luxe. So then I don't know where my other one is. I am now worried. Where is it? So let's get into this one and let's see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So we have 6 items, and this one says Boxycharm Whimsy. They usually have like a little theme where they put all the products to relate to that theme. So I'm gonna get this one out first, and if I would have known, I wouldn't have put on the foundation, but this is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Oh, cool. So it says for oily to combo skin, which that is totally me. This is the package that I'm looking at. I'm super excited to try this out. Oh, this is pretty. So this is what our package looks like. This is a really thick glass bottle. It's really, really pretty. So now I wish I wouldn't have put the foundation on, so I could have tried it. So it just a clear ooh, it smells like watermelon. It smells really good. I'm super excited to try this one out. I didn't know this was going to be in here. So first item, really, really good. Okay, what else do we have in here? Something from Bite. So this is the nighttime lip therapy with pomegranate extract. So this is our little box, and let's see what this one looks like. So since it's pomegranate, I wonder if it's gonna taste like candy. Oh, probably not. So this is what this looks like. It almost looks like Vaseline kind of thing on the inside. Let me show you. So this is the inside. It's just a it almost looks like Vaseline, and then it comes with a little miniature scoopy thingy. So you can go ahead and just scoop it out, and then you can apply it to your lips. And it says it's an overnight lip mask. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so then up next, I have this one from Bazy Beauty. And in the back, it says Glowy AF. So I'm assuming this is going to be a highlighter palette. Let me see what it looks like on the inside. So the inside packaging, exactly the same as the box. Same thing with the back. And let's see the inside. Oh, those are pretty colors. So we have 3 different colors. It says it's a glow palette. It says glowy AF. So I don't know if this is supposed to be a blush, but it's really pigmented. But then as a blush, I don't know if it'll be too much of a shine. But the other colors are really pretty. So this is the golden one, and then this is the other one. And they're really, really pretty. They do give you that wet look. So I'm excited to try these out a little bit later once I put all of it on my face. So that is our 3rd item. We should have 3 left. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this one next. It's from Avant, and this is a hyaluronic vitamin C lecithin Maurice aqua jojoba oil. Oh wait, that's just listing what it has. So this is a supreme hyaluronic acid anti-oxidizing dual moisturizer. That's a whole worth. What am I saying? That's a mouthful. That's a mouthful? I think that's what I'm trying to say. But I'm surprised that they gave us 2 moisturizers in one box. They normally don't do that. They usually, try to put different products in your box. They usually don't double up like this. And this one just says apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum. So this is just a regular face moisturizer. What else do we have in here? Ooh, okay, so we have something from Kat Von D. It says Cake Pencil, Intensely Rich Eyeliner. Ooh, I wonder what color it is. They usually give us some crazy colors, and I'm not a huge fan of color. Oh, this one's black. I'm not a huge fan of colored eyeliners because I just, on my day-to-day kind of thing, I don't wear those. So these come in handy, and this is just that is really black. It's just a like a crayon kind of eyeliner, and it's retractable, so that's cool because you don't have to worry about sharpening this pencil. But that is super duper black. So that is our second to the last item, and then I wanted to leave this item to the very, very end because I think this is super duper cute. So this is from Storybook Cosmetics, and it is it just says fairy tales. The thing that I don't know is if they have like different variations of this. So this is this is an eyeshadow palette. I was expecting it to only have like a few colors. So this is an eyeshadow palette, and I mean, I think this is just super duper cute. So all of the names in here are pretty much fairy tale themed. Like this one is Briar Rose. This is Spindle. This is Talia, Castle, Prince, Grimm, I think, or Prim. So you guys get the point. So all of these are all having to do with the fairy tale story. Which one do I have? Once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. So I'm not exactly sure what fairy tale this is from, but I think this is just really, really cute. Like, this is their packaging, and it looks like a book. So, okay, so this is the last item from the box. So I only have 3 things. Yes, 3 things. Yes, 3 things that I can try on my face right now. So I'm going to do the eyeshadow, the glow palette, and the eyeliner. So let me go ahead and set the rest of my face because I didn't set it. Sometimes we receive setting powders, so I kind of just left it for that, but we didn't. So let me go ahead and set my makeup, apply my bronzer and eyebrows and everything, and I'll come back so I can try these 3 things. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I kind of put everything on. I have blush and bronzer, so I'm gonna go into my highlighting palette, and let me see, I'm gonna grab this one. We just recently received this brush in the Ipsy Glam bag. for the month of December. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out right now. And I'm thinking of one of these two colors. So maybe, I don't know. I think I'm going to go with this middle one here. So let me see how this will apply. And then it comes with a mirror too. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that mirror. Oh, that's pretty. This is a really pretty color. And it does give you like that wet reflecting look. So I really like this thing here. So I'm just for fun, just topping it off with some of the gold one. I mean, I don't think you can ever have too much highlighter. You know, that's just what I think. But let me put some on the tip of my nose. Okay, so this is a highlighter. I really like it. I personally think that it looks really pretty. I did not use the pink one because, like I said, I think that one has a little bit too much color for what I prefer. So maybe that one later on, I'll try it with as maybe like a blush when I'm not going to wear any other type of, what's it called? I'm not going to wear any other type of highlighter. So that way I'll just wear the blush or the highlighter alone. And I think that would look really nice on its own. So now I'm going to go into the palette here. And we have a lot of really nice colors that I don't even know which one to try. I'm just going to, I mean, like I know. Every time I'm going to do something for my eyes, like some type of eye look, I always think like, okay, this is what I want to try, or this is what I want it to look like. And for some reason, I see a color and I'm like, oh, let me get a little bit of that one. And then I'm like, okay, well, let me try this one. And then whatever I had planned in my head is completely different to what comes out. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. I'm going to apply this one here all over the lid. And let's see where it takes me from there. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to grab is this one here. This is in Spindle. And then I'm just going to apply that to my crease and a little bit higher, almost as high as the other one. So it can almost be like my second transition shade, but not all the way to the top. And it's just a soft pink color. And it's actually applying really well. It's blending out really nicely. I don't have to try and move it around too much. It's kind of just doing it all on its own. So I'm liking this so far. So I don't think you guys can see this color too much either because it's still a pretty soft color. So it's not, you know, something that you will be able to see right away. Like I said, I want it to be like a soft transition color. The next color that I'm going to go with is this one here called Grim, I think. So this like purplish berry one. I'm going to go with that one into my crease. This color, for being a dark color, it's blending out really nice. It's not looking patchy at all, which is a problem that you have sometimes with the darker colors. But this one is actually not patchy, and I really like the color that is giving off, because sometimes it can be a little bit deceiving. They'll look dark and like almost like a dark cherry on the pan, and then a lot of the times when you put them on, they'll go on more like a brighter berry color, and that's what I do not like. So as you guys can see, this one is going on nice and dark, really close to what it looks like on the pan. So let me finish this and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have both eyes blended out, and I think all over the lid, I'm going to do, let me see. I can't decide if I want to do this one here or this one here, but I want to do sparkly. So I got a second opinion from Cindy back there. So I'm going to go with this one all over the lid. And I think I might, so I'm going to do this one all over the lid. And then I'm going to go back into this one and make it a little bit more concentrated in the corner. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm just going to do it with the flat brush. These are the ones that tend to work the best when you're going to put it all over your lid, and when it's a metallic. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. Okay, so the eyeshadow is on my lid. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get like a smaller pencil brush, and I'm going to get that same plum shape. Well, you know what? No. I'm going to get some of this metallic that I put on my lid, and I'm going to put that all across my bottom lash line, or my, yeah. And now I'm going to use the Kat Von D eyeliner, and I'm just going to put it really close to my lash line on the top, and I'm also going to line my water line and see how that looks. Yeah, this one is really, really black, and I love it because it feels super duper creamy. Okay, so that went on super duper smooth. Just really quick, let me curl my eyelashes and put on some type of lip color, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put everything else on, and I can honestly say I really, really like this palette. Another thing that I liked about this palette was that even with the dark colors, or the dark color that I used, it didn't have any fallout, or neither did the copper metallic one that I used. So I really, really like this palette. I can say overall, this is a really good box. So let me read you the retail prices. Oh, wow. Okay, so this palette here, retail value is $35. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer is $39. Oh, wait, Cindy, add it up. And the Kat Von D Cake Pencil Liner, this retails for $19. Then we have the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. This one is $134. OMG. Then we have the Basic Glow AF. Where'd it go? The highlighter palette. This one is $30. And then we have the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Mask. And this one is $22. So the total comes up to $299. So I paid $35 for this box, and we got $299. And I can honestly say I will use all of this. So I got variation number 28. I have a little 28 down here. Let me know what you guys think of this box. I think that this was totally awesome, and I really like this eye look that kind of just came out. But let me know what you guys think down below. I know there are different variations to this box, so maybe you got something even better than what I got. Let me know down in the comments. Those were all the products from my box, so that is all from me for today. We'll be back really, really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye!